What's up, everyone? Dr. Nate here. I have been having a lot of conversations with people recently who've had chronic low back pain for a really long time, and we've just been chatting and kind of getting to the bottom of things, figuring out what's going on, what might be able to help, what they've done before. And it seems like there is a sticking point in many people's recovery. And when you've tried something so many times, or a multitude of things so many times, it can feel like there is no hope. It can feel like there is no solution. And that is rooted in a few things. I've been getting down to the real crux of the situation, and I found that at the core of all of this, there is a fear of failure yet again. You know, people have tried physical therapy, chiropractic, acupuncture, massage, injections, surgery, all that type of stuff without improving whatsoever, or just really short-term results. And people fear trying a new thing. They fear the unknown. And this fear comes from, I think, actually failing themselves again, like the fear of failing yet again, and like being stuck in that area is a very scary place to be, because you're not prioritizing yourself, you're not putting yourself first and actually taking that step out and being willing to fail again. And I know that when people have been dealing with persistent pain for a long time, that it is incredibly challenging. Now, I can't say that I know and feel the exact experience, because I cannot contemplate, or I cannot comprehend your suffering. But what I can say is that there are solutions out there, and I have worked time and time again with people with persistent issues who have made significant improvements in their life. And it's not another exercise program, it's not another mindset program, it's not another acupuncture, it's not this new chair, it's not this new bed, it's not the new shoes. It is more complicated than that. And if you keep trying all these different things, that's fine, but know that it's not one thing that's going to fix your issue. And the main thing that is standing in the way of your recovery and you moving to the next stage and getting back to your life is a fear of failure, a fear of looking like dumb, so a fear of what other people see you as, and not prioritizing yourself. So almost like I work with a lot of people who have these persistent issues, and there's also this consistent pattern. When you've had pain for a long time, self-worth tends to decrease because a lot of things in your life that you enjoyed before are taken away. So I just wanted to share that today, because hopefully this can put into words some of the things that you've been thinking about but you haven't quite been able to grapple with. So just to reiterate, a fear of failure, which is very common, a fear of how you're going to look to others if you do fail again, and then also the thought that you're not worth it, that that your life is not as meaningful as other people's, and that you shouldn't prioritize yourself because other people deserve the priority. But I'm going to tell you right now that if you do not prioritize yourself and making yourself feel well, and I'm not saying that all the pain is going to go away, but making yourself feel well and happy with your life, then taking care of others is going to be very hard or impossible. So that focus inward needs to happen. And I don't know who needs to hear this today, but focus inward. You have to. That is your duty to yourself, and that's your duty if you truly want to serve your family, your friends, and you want to get back to enjoying your life. That focus has to come inward. This is very meta, and there's not a lot of actionable steps here. This is just a thought exercise So ask yourself the question, am I afraid of failure? And am I prioritizing myself? And if the answer is yes to the first question, that you're afraid of failure, and no to the second question, that you're not prioritizing yourself, then there's definitely a lot of work that needs to be done in that area. But it can be done, so that's the good news. First part is recognizing it. Anyways, thank you for watching today. I hope that this was able to give you a little more insight into the inner workings of your brain, and that you got a lot out of this. So please like and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy this, and go ahead and watch some of the other videos that I have on pain as well. Until next time, stay strong, stay resilient, and I'll catch you later.